Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our subject is comparative animal anatomy and physiology and topic is internal transport or circulatory system in invertebrates or vertebrates. First of all, we know that what is transport system. A transport system is a system in which materials are moved or transported from one part of the body to the other part of the body in an organism. And what is circulatory system? Circulatory system is also called cardiovascular system or vascular system. Circulatory system also permits the blood to circulate and transport nutrients like amino acids and electrolytes. Gaseous exchange also take place by circulatory system like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Hormones transportation from one part of the body to the other part of the body also take place through circulatory system. What are the benefits of the transportatory system in an individual or organism? When transportation is done, it provides a nourishment to an organism. It also helps an organism to fight against diseases. It also stabilizes temperature and pH according to the environment uh, and also maintain homeostasis. What is homeostasis? The internal body temperature fluctuate according to the environment. It is called homeostasis. How many types of transport system? There are two types of transport system: simple transport system or complex transport system. Simple type of transport system has also three types in lower invertebrates or simpler phyla of vertebrates. These are number one, water vascular system, a water transport system. Number two, gastrovascular cavity. Number three, coelomic fluid. Small organisms like protozoa, they have high surface area to volume ratio. Their nutrient, gases, and waste exchange is by simple diffusion. In protozoa, plasma membrane and cytoplasm are the media through which materials diffuse to the various parts of the organism or between the organism and environment. What is water vascular system? In some simpler invertebrates, the transport is through the movement of water to exchange different materials to various parts of the body to the other parts of the body. How water move from one part to other part in a body, it is called water transport system. Water transport system is mostly present in phylum Porifera members like also called sponges. They have pore bearing animals. They have ostia and ossiculum. These are the small and large pore. Ostia are small pores through which water enter into the spongocoel. Spongocoel is the cavity of the phylum Porifera members. Exchange of nutrients and gases take place in the spongocoel cavity. This cavity is hollow cavity. Waste also move out from the body of sponges through a large opening or main opening called ossiculum. This is the example of a spongy. What is gastrovascular cavity? Some invertebrates have a cavity called gastrovascular cavity. This cavity supplies nutrients and to the cells lining of the cavity and provide oxygen from water. in the cavity. It is also reservoir for carbon dioxide. Same like other organism, gastrovascular cavity is used for the transportation, for the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste material. Simple body movement moves the fluid. The example of gastrovascular cavity is Cnidarian. For example, from Cnidarian is an organism like Hydra. Hydra have a fluid-filled internal gastrovascular cavity. This cavity supplies nutrients for all body cells, or this cavity is called gastrovascular cavity. Water enter through the mouth. These are the tentacle. These protect the body of Hydra from invading of microorganisms. So the nutrients exchange material takes place in the gastrovascular cavity. What is coelomic fluid? Same like other organisms, like gastrovascular cavity, water transport system. Coelomic fluid is also used for the transportation of materials, gases, and waste from one part to the other parts of the body. Coelomic fluid it is used for circulation in some animals like echinoderms or annelids. Annelids are the segmented organisms. The body is completely segmented from anterior part to the posterior part. It can also be used as a supplementary circulatory system. It is composition of the coelomic fluid is identical to the interstitial fluid, or sometime it may be different from the interstitial fluid because for the specific proteins and cells are present in coelomic fluid. Coelomic fluid also transport gases and nutrients, waste products, same like water transport system and gastrovascular cavity, but it is not present in coelenterates, porifera, or sponges. It also functions as a hydrostatic skeleton in certain invertebrates. For example, annelid, these are the segmented worms. These have a coelom allows different parts of the body to contract and expand independently. They don't depend on other organisms for the construction and expansion. Characteristics of invertebrate hemolymph and blood cells. What is hemolymph? Hemolymph is a circulating fluid in animals. It is present only in those animals which have open circulatory system. For example, most arthropods, ascidians, and many mollusks have hemolymph. In these animals, heart pump hemolymph into the vessels at low pressure. These vessels transfer hemolymph to tissue spaces and sinuses. Tissue spaces is also called hemocoel. The hemolymph volume is high, but they are very low circulation, slow. When volume of hemolymph is high, then they have slow circulation. When volume of hemolymph is low, then they have fast circulation. They are inversely proportional to each other. Hemolymph is involved in the circulation of nutrients, gases, and waste products. Same like water transport system, gastrovascular cavity, or coelomic fluid. What are the non-circulatory functions of hemolymph? There are two non-circulatory functions. It helps in molting of old cuticle of insects. When insects have old skeleton, the old skeleton is replaced by a new skeleton by the process of molting. Number two, it also helps in the inflation. Inflation, flapping of wings. Wings may be open and closed. This is called the flapping of wings. It also involved in the flapping of wings. These two are the non-circulatory functions of the hemolymph. Hemolymph provides a hydraulic mechanism for certain spiders that help in jumping from one part to the other part. Hydrostatic pressure is also used for the extension of limbs. Limbs how extend from one uh, part of segment of body to the other part. Hydrostatic skeleton or pressure may have a main role in the extension of the limbs of spiders. What are blood cells? Blood cells are also called hemocytes. These are also mainly found in blood. So these are called blood cells or hemocytes. Blood cells or circulating cells circulate in stomach fluid. They move in the stomach fluid and help in the transport of material from one part to other part. What are blood cells? Blood cells are following types: red blood cells, hemocytes, or coelomocytes. What are red blood cells? Red blood cells mean component of blood. Color of blood is red due to the presence of a pigment called hemoglobin. When oxygen bind to hemoglobin, it is called oxyhemoglobin. The color of the blood cells is called red due to hemoglobin. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. Respiratory pigment present in blood of invertebrates. There are four common pigments that are present in vertebrate. For example, hemoglobin, that is mostly present in vertebrates, hemocyanin, chlorocurinin, and hemoerythrin. Pigment hemoglobin. When oxygen bind to hemoglobin, it is called oxyhemoglobin. The color of the hemoglobin is bright red. But when oxygen detached from hemoglobin, the color of the hemoglobin is purple. Hemocyanin, when oxygen bind to hemocyanin, the color of the hemocyanin is blue. But when oxygen detached from the hemocyanin, then hemocyanin is colorless. When oxygen bind to chlorocurinin, then color of the chlorocurinin is green to red. When deoxygenated replace oxygen from the chlorocurinin, then color of the chlorocurinin is light green. Hemoerythrin, when oxygen bind to hemoerythrin, the color of the hemoerythrin is violet to pink, but oxygen detach from the hemoerythrin, the color of the hemoerythrin is colorless. There is no color. What are hemocytes? These cells play main role in immune system of invertebrates. Immune system of an organism help to fight against diseases, microorganism attack, fungal attack. Hemocytes are phagocytes of invertebrates, most developed in insects. Different types of hemocytes present in insects are following. There are six types of hemocytes that are present in invertebrates. These are prohemocytes. These are have small and circular cells. Large nucleus can be differentiated into number of cells. Number two, plasmatocytes. These are leaf-like in shape and cytoplasm contain lysosomal enzymes. These enzymes are involved in the phagocytosis process. Plasmatocytes are also involved in capsule formation. Number three, granular cells. They have small nucleus and many granules in their cytoplasm. Number four, spherulocytes. These cells display a variety of differing shapes with numerous small spherical inclusions. Number five, oniocytoids. These are large and binucleated non-phagocytic cells. These cells are not involved in the digestion of solid particle coagulocytes. These cells participate in clotting process. When there is no clotting protein like a fibrinogen, then no clotting process occur in an individual or organism. What are coelomocyte cells? Coelomocyte is a phagocytic leukocyte that appear in the body of animals that have coelom. Coelomocytes are these cells are present only in those animals that have coelom. These are not present in pseudocoeloms or acoelomates. It also attacks and digests the invading organisms such as bacteria, microorganisms, viruses through phagocytosis. These cells digest the bacteria and viruses through phagocytosis and protect the body from their attack. Coelomocytes may be either attached to the wall of coelom or maybe float freely in cytoplasm. It depends upon